Good morning. Did you call about a leak in the upstairs bathroom?
Yes, it started dripping out of nowhere.
It's not too bad, but I'll need a few minutes to fix it.
Take all the time you need.
You're very skilled. It's impressive to see.
Thank you. I'm glad I could help.
Like I said, it would be quick.
I'm really impressed.
Can I help you with anything else?
No, but if you're not in a hurry, I can get you some juice.
Sorry, I didn't mean to hold it.
It's okay, I didn't exactly let go either. Maybe I don't really want you to leave, but I think I've already finished my work here.